Hello students, welcome to the online classes. So today we are going to do English literature. So quickly go and bring your book, New Stepping Stone, Literature Reader 5. So today we are going to start with a new poem. Let us see. The title of the poem is Deeds of Kindness, or I should say Little Deeds of Kindness. So before we start, we must understand the meaning of the title as well as the main theme of the poem, the main idea behind the poem. Actually, the poet wants to convey a message through this poem. So we must understand that message, we must understand the idea, we must understand the main theme of the poem. Then only you will be able to understand the poem itself. So here it is, deeds of kindness. What do you mean by deeds? Deeds means works. Calm. W-O-R-K-S, works. The works which we do. So deeds of kindness. Whenever you do something good, that is considered to be a work of kindness. That is considered to be a deed of kindness. Here poet is talking about not only the deeds of kindness but small, little deeds of kindness. According to him, or he wants to convey the importance of small or little deeds of kindness done by anyone. So that's why in the poem you can see he has given the example of very small things which may not have importance for others, but we have the importance. Through this, poet also wants to convey that nothing is too small in this world. No thing, neither a person nor a thing is too small that it does not has any importance. Each and everything, whether it is small or big, it has its own importance. When it is created by the God, some importance or some role he has to play. Some role the thing has to play, the person has to play. So they have their specific role. They have their specific importance which no one can deny, whether it is small or big. That's why the poet has taken example of small cow flower. You can see this flower is very small, very tiny. He has taken another example of a dewdrop. Many of you might have seen a dewdrop, how small that is. Next he has taken example of breeze, very light wind. You know, breeze is light wind which very often we used to feel. So very light wind, especially in the morning time. And he has given example of a young child, just like you. So all he has given examples of all the small things or the small deeds of kindness. So this you have to see. Actually he says that we should not look down upon little things. We should not think that if something is little, something is small, okay, so that is anyhow less important than other things. Each and everything created by God has the same importance. So he says that we should not look down upon little things. Little things lead to the mighty. Little acts of kindness, what do they do? They take out, they bring out our mistakes and spreads happiness. For example, many times you might have heard the example, students, that little drops of water make up the ocean. I'm sure you might have heard this example from your parents also many times, that little drops of water make up the ocean. Means even a single drop is valuable. Even a single drop has its own importance. So the main thing is we should not consider, we should not take anything whether small or big, or we should not think that something is small, then it could not be. Sword has its own importance, but we know needle has its own importance. So this is the main idea, main theme of the poem. That poet is also talking about the deeds of kindness means little deeds. He is saying that if you will do something good and you will think What if I don't do that? Because it is too small. Whatever I am doing, that is not a big thing. It is a very small thing. It is a very small deed of kindness. It is a very small act of kindness. So if even if I won't do it, it is not going to make any change. But if you are thinking in that way, that then you are wrong. According to the poet, you are wrong if you are thinking that way, that if you are doing something smaller of small act of kindness, that is of no use, that is of no importance, that doesn't make any difference, then you are wrong. Even a small act of kindness, even a little act of kindness has its own importance, has its own value. So I think you might have understood the main idea of the poem. Now in my next video I am going to explain the poem.